You are using AI wrong. And not just you. Everyone else right now is using AI completely wrong. Even the apps that are selling right now on the market, they don't know how to leverage the full potential of AI. Let me ask you this. What's the point of AI if it's doing the work as fast as a human? What's the point of using an app that takes forever to generate one video? I can do that myself. It's a shame that 99% of people still don't get to use the true power of AI. Want to know what AI is capable of? Well, let me tell you this. We click one button and within seconds, we get hundreds of short videos. Yes, you heard that right. Hundreds of short videos with one click, all within 30 seconds. Isn't that powerful? Those short videos allow us to dominate any social platform, and we mean any. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X, and even YouTube. We overwhelm any network and force it to give us millions upon millions of views for 100% free. And those aren't just numbers. AI Bulk Shorts allows us to turn those views into paying, recurring customers, filling our account with payments like this. All without us doing anything manual, without us editing any video, without us designing anything, and without us writing any video scripts. All that is done for us. AI Bulk Shorts on complete autopilot. It will research the niche for us, then write all the scripts, recorded with a human-like voiceover. Then it will animate all of the videos for us and give us hundreds of videos ready to do, all in 30 seconds or less. Can you believe it? All we do is enter our niche, click a button, and we're done. That's exactly how we made this money every single day. We no longer worry about generating traffic or getting sales, because no matter what niche we're in, and no matter what country we're living in, AI Bulk Shorts will allow us to get as much traffic as we want without ever paying for ads. Here's the best part. Since it utilizes AI, the results come in so fast. Take a look at our account just an hour after we ran one test campaign. And here it is after 12 hours. And finally, after 24 hours, we made $923.67 just from running one campaign with AI Bulk Shorts. And all it took us was 1 minute to set up. That's it. After that, AI Bulk Shorts did everything for us in the background while we sit back and profit. You too can leverage the same powerful app we use with zero limitation. With AI Bulk Shorts, there are no restrictions, no downtime, no monthly payments. No matter what you're trying to do online, you need AI Bulk Shorts. It works for affiliate marketers, e-com store owners, product owners, bloggers, influencers, local business owners, even if you're a book writer. AI Bulk Shorts completely eliminates the need to learn video editing or get in front of the camera. Hey, my name is Yogesh, and I'm happy to introduce you to AI Bulk Shorts. Let me show you how easy it is to get started with AI Bulk Shorts. You're just 4 clicks away. Step 1. Keyword. Just enter one keyword into our intuitive dashboard or select from our 245 plus DFI niches. Step 2. Syndicate. Unleash hundreds of videos on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and more. Step 4. Profit. Yep, that's it. Every time we create a new campaign, we wake up to money like this. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? Look, I'm going to be honest with you. We can charge anything we want from AI Bulk Shorts, even $997 a month, and it'll be a no-brainer. After all, our beta testers make so much more than that. And on top of that, there's no work for you to do. AI Bulk Shorts does it all. But I make enough money from using AI Bulk Shorts, so I don't need to charge you that. I use it on a daily basis, so I don't see why I shouldn't give you access to it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to AI Bulk Shorts for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running AI Bulk Shorts. But that won't last long. The last thing on earth I want is to get AI Bulk Shorts saturated. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, right now you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use AI Bulk Shorts for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Worst case scenario, you get AI bulk shorts and don't make any money. You'll get every penny you paid refunded in 24 hours. Click the button below and get instant access to AI bulk shorts, plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.
Going to the gym also contributes to improved physical strength and endurance. Regular workouts can increase muscle strength, enhance flexibility, and improve overall stamina. This not only boosts performance in daily activities but also reduces the risk of injuries and strengthens the body's immune system.